if A by B equal to C by D, then we can write A by C equal to B by D. What is the name of this one? Property. Properties of ratios. Anyone idea? It is called alternando. Alternando, right? ALT, 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 ER, NENDO, alternando. ALT, ER, alternando. NENDO, alternando. Not nido, okay. NENDO, alternando. Okay, right. If A by B equal to C by D, if A by B equal to C by D, then A by C equal to B by D. A by B equal to C by D, then A by C. This is C is coming to here. A by C equal to B by D. Okay. So now write the question. This property will use now. Okay. Whatever Kural check the practice questions. Only two only I found the answer. Okay. Just all finalize it that one. Okay. And some guys are using another theorem and don't use it. You use the if the practice question based on basic proportional theorem, use that only. Okay. Don't ask anyone and check with other theorems and all. Okay. I told you last class itself, based on your reader you follow. Okay. So now look at here. Write the question. Using basic proportionality theorem, right? Using basic proportionality theorem, right? Using basic proportionality theorem. Using basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Then right, ABCD is a next line. ABCD is a trapezium in which ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC, AB parallel DC, AB parallel DC, AB parallel DC. A, B, C, D. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC. This is parallel to here. Okay. Diagonal AC and BD. Diagonal AC and BD. Diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at O. Diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at O. Okay. To prove that AO by BO, AO by BO equal to CO by DO, CO by DO. Okay. Look at here the question once again. The question is ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel CD. Diagonal AC and BD intersect at O. To prove that AO by BO equal to CO by OD. Okay. Right. Draw figure and write the given. What you have to prove is all right. Okay. Right first. Okay, so now look at here. We have shown that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Okay, what is given here? Don't write now. Listen. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC. Trapezium means what? One opposite pair is parallel, right? ABCD is a trapezium. This one we have to show only by basic proportionality theorem. So then you have to use that theorem only. Okay. ABCD is a trapezium in which AC and DB intersect at O. To prove AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Okay, look at here. There is a Chota construction. Through O, draw a line parallel to AB, like this. AB or DC. If we draw this line parallel, automatically this is also parallel. Look at here now. In triangle BAB E. Okay. OE parallel to AB by construction. Then by basic proportionality theorem, AE divided by ED equal to BO divided by OB, number 1. Correct or no? Then after that, in triangle DAC, OE parallel to DC. This line parallel here. Okay. So AE divided by EO equal to BO divided by OD, number 2. Again, basic proportionality theorem. Here now half mark will cut. Here also half mark will cut. Half mark is gone. Okay. Now look at here. BO by here. AE by EO. AE by EO here. From 1 and 2 we can write BO AE by this is wrong. It is what? DSC AE by ED equal to AO by OC. AO by OC. Correct or no? DAC AE by EB equal to AO by OC. Here BO by OD. Okay. So from 1 and 2 we get AO by OC equal to BO by OB. Okay. This is coming to here. BO by something wrong here. First part we wrote wrong. AE by EE. Listen. This line parallel here. AE by ED. AE by this line. Look at here. Wait. Don't write now. This triangle. This line parallel here. So AE by ED. Okay. AE by ED equal to BO by OD. Okay. Then now okay. DAC. Again, this line parallel here. AE by DE. Okay. Equal to AO by OC. Now from 1 and 2 we get AO by OC equal to BO by OD. Okay. Now what to do? Now we can take the alternative. Our requirement is AO by BO. This is coming here. So we can write AO by BO equal to OC by OD. Are you okay now? Clear now? You want to explain again? There is the confusion over now. Okay, I'll give the note. Then it will be okay. Right. Construction. Right. Construction. After through O, draw OE parallel to AB or CD. Through O, draw OE parallel to AB or CD. Then proof. Okay. In triangle DAB. In triangle DAB. In triangle DAB. OE parallel to AB. OE parallel to AB by construction. Okay. Then AE by ED equal to BO by OD. Number 1. Basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. After that, in triangle DAC, OE parallel to DC, OE parallel to DC by construction. Then AE by ED equal to AO by OC. Number 2. Okay. Again, write basic proportionality theorem. From 1 and 2 we get, see, AE by ED, A by ED, AO by OC equal to BO by OD. Okay. Then by alternando, BO coming here. AO by BO equal to OC by OD. Are you okay now? Okay, clear now? Hello. Is it okay now? If this is okay, then we can start next question. This is continuity or there is okay. Okay, check all. Make sure this one. Okay. It's finished now, right? Okay, so Alina, finish or not? Roshan. Okay, okay, I'll wait. Okay. Okay, so next question, right? The diagonals of a quadrilateral. Next question. The diagonals of a quadrilateral. The diagonals of a quadrilateral. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O. Intersect each other at the point O. Intersect each other at the point O. Okay. Intersect each other at the point O. Okay. Such that AO by BO, AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Prove that ABCD is a trapezium. 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 Okay. Write the question. Question okay. ABCD is a quadrilateral, not trapezium. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Prove that ABC is a trapezium. ABCD trapezium means you should show AB parallel DC. Okay, if the question is okay, draw figure, then write given and what you have to prove. Question. Okay, Kavya, listen. Question is the diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O. The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O, such that AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, here now. Okay, now look at here. I'll show this one. Come on, I'll show. Don't write. Look at here. How will show AB? To show ABCD is a trapezium means we have to show AB parallel DC. Okay, correct? That is okay. We have to show AB parallel to DC. Agree or not? Right or not? Hello. Okay, just show AB parallel to CD. Okay, I have one question here. Look at here. I have one line here. One line here. Okay. It's not. We don't know whether parallel or not. Just two lines. One point here. Okay. Can we draw a line parallel to both lines? This is L1, L2 point A. My question is, can we draw a line through A parallel to L1 and L2? How we can draw? Wait. How we can draw? They are not parallel. No, look at here. Suppose the line here. Look, L2 here. How we can draw? We cannot draw, right? Correct? So, but we can draw one line. We can draw a line. We can draw a line through A, either parallel to L2 or L1. Correct or not? Now, correct? We can draw a line through A, either parallel to L1 or L2. That we can do it. Correct? Okay. Because we are not sure about whether they are parallel. Okay. Now, that idea we are applying here. Okay. Look at here. The Bhavan's guys. Hello, Krishna, Hania. Are you okay? Or? You are maybe done. Vignesh, your class may be done this one, right? Okay, look at here. So we are, listen, we are going to, there is a chota construction through O, draw a line parallel to AB. This line parallel here, we can make that one. We don't make OE parallel to DC and AB, both we cannot make it. Okay, now look at here. In triangle DAB, OE parallel to AB by construction. So by basic proportionality theorem, AE by ED equal to AO divided by OC, number one. Okay, now here AO by BO equal to CO by DO. We can make this one AO by CO equal to BO by DO. Correct number? We can make that AO BO divided by DO equal to AO by CO, number two. Are you okay? Listen, what we did, through O, draw OE parallel to AB. Okay, so we got AE by ED equal to AO by OC by basic proportional theorem. This part is given. Rearrangement by alternando. AO by CO equal to BO by DO. You wrote here. Look at here. This is equal. What do you got now? AE divided by ED equal to BO by DO. Check now. AE by ED equal to AE by we stuck. Okay, AE by ED equal to AO by OC. BO by okay. So what do you got now? AE by AE by ED equal to AE by ED. AE by ED equal to BO by OD. So something wrong. AE by ED equal to okay. What happened? No, this is wrong. We made. Look at here. Which triangle? DAB. AE by ED equal to what? BO by OD. You didn't notice this one. Second part, AO divided by CO equal to BO by DO. Okay, number 2. Now correct. Now this is equal, right? What will you get down? AE by ED equal to AO by OC. What is that? In triangle DAB, AE by ED equal to AO by OC. So by converse of basic proportionality theorem, OE parallel to DC. OE parallel to DC. Already OE parallel to AB. That means AB parallel to DC. Hence, ABC is a trapezium. Clear or not? When you make the writing, you have to careful to check the figure. Okay. Are you okay? I'll give a note. Okay. I'll give a note. Right. Construction. Okay. Construction. Through O, draw OE parallel to AB. OE parallel to AB. Okay. Then proof. In triangle DAB, DAB, OE parallel to AB, OE parallel to AB by construction. OE parallel to AB by construction. Okay. Then by basic proportionality theorem, AE by ED equal to BO by OD. AE, check the figure, correct or not? AE by ED equal to BO by OD. Number 1. Okay. Then AO by BO equal to CO by DO. AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Given. Then by alternando, AO by CO equal to BO by DO. Number 2. That is number 2 here. Okay. Then from 1 and 2 we get here BO by OD. From 1 and 2 we get AE by ED equal to AO by CO. Okay. Then in triangle, right? In triangle ADC, AE by ED equal to AO by OC, proved. In triangle ADC, AE by ED equal to AO by OC, proved. Hence, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, OE parallel to DC, but OE parallel to AB by construction. Therefore, ABC is a AB parallel DC. AB parallel to DC. Hence, ABCD is a trapezium. Clear now? Is it okay? Okay, now check both questions. Okay, then I'll make. Hello, check both questions. Then all I can do next question. Okay, check both. Okay, finish. Hello, check both questions. Then all I can do next questions. Okay. Okay, so next question. Look at here. Now, first section is over now. Basic proportionality theorem part is over. Now, look. Look at here. Last year you learned in triangles, SAS congruency, right? Side, angle, side. Then SSS congruency, correct? Then ASA congruency. Then RHS congruency. Okay, this here also same thing, but not congruency, similarity. Side, angle, side. Two sides are proportional, in between angles equal, then we can say they are similar, SIS similarity. Not SIS congruency, SIS similarity. Okay, and all the three sides are proportional, then we can say SSS similarity. Okay, one additional thing this year you have to learn AA similarity. That means two angles are equal. In two triangles, two angles are equal. We can say AA similarity. What? AA similarity. One is SAS similarity. Then SSS similarity. Then common is AA similarity. RHS also similarity there is. Okay. Okay. So next now you are very careful when you're writing SAS. You cannot write simply SAS. It can be SAS congruency or SAS similarity or SAS biryani restaurant also there is. So you have to specify whether restaurant or similarity or congruence. Clear now? I'm not going into details. You understand what is the SAS similarity? That's enough. Side, angle, side. Two angles are equal. AS similarity. Okay. So now write one question. In figure, triangle DOC. In figure, triangle DOC. Okay. In figure, triangle ODC. ODC similar to triangle OBA. ODC similar to OBA. Okay. Angle BOC 125 degree. Angle CDO 70 degree. Okay. Find angle 1 DOC. 2 angle DCO. 3 angle OAB. Okay. Listen. In figure, triangle triangle ODC, ODC similar to OBA. Angle BOC 125 degree, angle ODC 70. Find angle DOC, this angle, plus angle DCO, this angle, plus angle OAB. Okay, can you try this one? Okay, try first. No, AB not parallel. Who said parallel? That is a parallel. Abhishek. Okay, the figure everything is there. Okay. Okay, try now. It's not parallel. You have to check that one. Okay. It's not parallel. Question. Then yeah. Look. Question is triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA. ODC similar to OBA. Okay. This angle 125. This is 70. Now we have to find out the DOC here. This angle and this angle. It's not a complicated question. Okay. Try now. Okay. Okay, all 55, 55, 55. Sure. Okay, let me check. Let's see all. Okay, look at here now. Hello, listen here. This angle 55. Why? Linear pair. Correct? Angle DOC 55. Linear pair. Angle sum property. This also 55. Okay. Then, how you got this angle? How we got that angle? CPCT. Okay? How CPCT? Yeah, the triangles are similar. Correct. OCD similar to ODC. ODC similar to OBA. So C equal to angle C equal to A. That means 55 degrees. Correct or not? Corresponding parts. Okay. Here now. Okay. So I hope everyone finished this one, right? Okay. So next question. Diagonal AC and BD. Right. So explain. Come on, Nihal. Nihal, angle DOC 55. Why? linear pair. DOC plus BOC 180 degree. So DOC 55 degree. Clear now? That part okay? Then in triangle DOC 70, 55. Therefore, angle DCO 55. Angle sum property of a triangle. Agree or no? That's okay. Okay. Now, last part. ODC similar to OBA. The beginning, last class we discussed, if the triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal. So, O equal to O, D equal to B, C equal to A. C equal to A means 55. That idea, okay? If the triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. Okay? All three parts okay now? Okay. So now next question, right? Diagonal AC and BD, right? Diagonal AC and BD. Diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. Diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD. Diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC. With AB parallel diagonal AC and diagonal AC and BD. AC diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel DC. With AB parallel DC. Okay. Okay. Using similarity criteria. Using similarity criteria. Using similarity criteria. Show that OA divided by OC equal to OB divided by OD. OA divided by OC equal to OB by OD. Okay, Devayani, listen here. This is the one today I said to you. Okay, here question is saying cannot using similarity criteria of triangles. Devayani, listen. Hello. Come on, Roshan. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC. Okay, to prove OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Okay. Very simple. Look at here. Very simple this one. No need any constructions. Yes. Take these triangles. This angle equal to this angle. Alternate angles. This angle equal to this angle. Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, triangle DOC similar to triangle BOBAO. So we can write this one. Correct or no? Right? Triangle, if you want, you can write DOC similar to, okay, what? Look, this angle equal this one. This angle equal this angle. Any angle we can write. Triangle BOA similar to triangle DOC. Then BO divided by DO equal to AO divided by OC. Finish. Okay. Are you okay now? So this is the one AA similarity. Okay. So now we are going to do one classic question. Okay. So one star question we are going to do. Okay. Okay, ready all? Come on, take a breath. Okay, ready for the star question. Everyone ready now? Okay, wait. I'll wait. Okay. Those who finish, close your eyes. Okay. Okay, maybe you're. Oh, now school closed now, so you're relaxing now. Okay. You don't want a break, right or no? So now you are relaxing. No need a break. Okay. Actually, I had a plan. At least 1 week for your break. Which one? Yeah, you write this one. You write this angle equal this angle, that angle, this angle. Therefore, these triangles are similar by a similarity. BOA similar to DOC. Then BO by OD equal to OA by OC. Reason what? In similar triangle, corresponding sides are proportional. This all you have tried it. Come on. Okay. So write the question now. It's ready now? Okay. Right. This is star question. Okay. In figure, in figure, in figure, PAQBRC. In figure, PAQBRC. In figure, PA, QB, and RC. PA, QB, RC are each perpendicular to AC. Are each perpendicular to AC. PA, PA, QB, RC. In figure, PA, QB, RC, each perpendicular to AC. Okay. Prove that 1 by x plus 1 by z equal to 1 by y. X here, y here, z here. X, y, z. Okay, draw figure. Okay, draw. Question clear now? PA, QB, RC perpendicular to AC. PA, QB, RC perpendicular to AC. Prove that 1 by x plus 1 by z equal to 1 by y. Okay. Draw figure, then write what is given, what you have to prove. Okay. So finish. So now look at here. Hey, you got the question? Ask me. Okay, look at here now. Hello. You did the figure. Listen. Okay. Okay. Listen here. This 10 years back, this question came for board with another version. Listen here. Instead of PA QB perpendicular to AC, the question was PA QB RC parallel. PA QB RC are parallel. Both are same. Okay. Okay, now look at here now. Listen, don't write now. Hello, don't write. Close the book. I'll tell you when you write. Close. Close the book. Look. Okay. Look at here. In triangle QBA and triangle PAC. QBC. Listen. QBC and PAC. Angle QBA equal to angle PAC equal to 90 given. Okay. Then angle QCB equal to angle PCA common. Therefore, triangle QBC similar to triangle PAC. AA similarity. I told you no. Two angles are equal, triangles are similar. QBC similar to PAC. So QB divided by PA equal to BC divided by AC, which implies Y by X equal to BC divided by AC. Number one. Okay, right up to here now. Okay, I'll give the note. Okay, I'll give the note. Okay, right. In triangle QBC and PAC. In triangle QBC and PAC. QBC and PAC. Okay. QBC and PAC. Angle QBC equal to angle PAC. Listen, you write, Nihal, you write first, then you can check it. Okay. In triangle QBC and triangle PAC. Check the figure, not. In triangle QBC and PAC. Angle QBC equal to angle PAC equal to 90 degree. Why? Given. They are perpendicular. Okay. If it is parallel, what will you write? If it is parallel, what will you write? Instead of 90. Corresponding angles, right? Just corresponding angles. Okay. So this is Nihal. You understood that reason? Angle QBC equal to angle PAC equal to 90 degree. Right? No. Then now look at angle QCB. Check the angle. Angle QCB. That means our C equal to angle PCA common. Correct or no? QCB equal to angle PCA common here. Therefore, triangle QBC similar to triangle PAC. We only learn if two angles are equal, the triangles are similar. Two angles are equal or triangles are similar. So QBC similar to PAC. AA similarity, right? AA similarity. Then after that, we learned the first class. If the triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. QB divided by PA, BC divided by AC. That is y by x, check the figure, y by x equal to BC by AC, number 1. Okay, up to here, okay or not? Check everyone, check up to here. Then now you can go to the next part. Okay, first part clear or not? Because I have dropped the board. First part, make sure that. Okay, first part is clear now, right? So Nihal, first part is clear or not? Okay, so now look at here. So keep it this first part. Okay, similarly, look at here. Similarly, look. Similarly, you write like this. Similarly, triangle QBA, QBA similar to triangle RCA. QBA similar to RCA. Correct or no? Same reasons. No need to write again. Okay. QB 90, 90, A common. So QB divided by RC equal to AB divided by AC. Number 2. Sorry, not number 2. QB Y by Z equal to AB by AC. Number 2. Okay, write this one. Okay, write first. Similarly, triangle QBA, triangle QBA similar to triangle RCA. Okay. Reason right, AA similarity. Then QB by RC equal to AB by AC. In similar triangle, corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. That is Y by Z equal to AB by AC, number 2. Number 2. Agree or not? Okay. Clear or not? Hello. Okay. So now we got 1 and 2. Okay. Now listen here. From adding 1 and 2. Don't write now. Stop. Look at here. 1 plus 2. Y by X plus Y by Z equal to BC by AC plus AB by AC. Agree or not? You just add one both. Okay, here y you take outside. 1 by x plus 1 by z equal to, look at here, AC common. AC common, that means BC plus AB. What is that? BC plus AB. What is that? AC. AC by AC 1. So finish. 1 by x plus 1 by z equal to y going here 1 by y. Finish. Okay, right first. Okay. Okay, right now check it. Okay, finish or not? Everyone okay? It's clear now. So next question, you have to do it. Okay. Okay. So next question, are you ready now? Okay, right. Two poles of height. Listen, two poles, POLES. Two poles of height, A meters, A, small a meters. Two poles of height, A meter and B meters, A meters and B meters are P meters apart. Two poles of height, A meters and B meters are P meters apart. Are P meters apart. Prove that the height of the point of intersection, prove that height of the point of intersection prove that height of the point of intersection, prove that the height of the point of intersection, prove that the height of the point of intersection of the lines joining the top of each pole to the foot of the opposite pole, to the foot of the opposite pole, is given by AB by A plus B, AB by A plus B meters. Once again, okay, look at here. The two poles, two poles of height. TW or two POLES, two poles of height, A meters and B meters. Two poles of height, A meters and B meters, are P meters apart. Two poles of height, A meters and B meters, are P meters apart. Clear or not? Okay. Prove that the height of the prove that the height of the point of intersection. Prove that the height of the point of intersection of the lines joining the top of the each pole, the top of the each pole to the foot of the opposite pole, top of the each pole to the foot of the opposite pole is given by AB divided by A plus B. AB divided by A plus B, like this. AB divided by A plus B meters. Okay, try now. Okay, I'll give you time. You can try yourself. Okay. Okay, try now. This one I'm not going to explain to you. You try yourself. Okay. Okay. Are you getting or not? Hello. Are you getting any idea? Come on, no news, all sleeping. Ah, you got. Misha, you got? Okay, okay. Last step. Okay, okay. Okay. Nonit, got? Alina, Krishna, Hania, Abhishek, Aditya, Diya. Trying, no? Okay. Okay, okay. I'll wait, I'll wait, I'll wait. Okay, Kaushik, you got? Okay, good. Okay, rest all. Okay. Okay, so everybody got finished or not? Hello. You want to help? Tell me. Okay. That means everyone finished. All the guys. Okay, Roshan. Okay, one question here. Okay, any others? Only Roshan only asking. So I'll send you to Roshan then. I'll write and send you. Rest all got no. Why should I explain board? Okay, Roshan, I'll send you later. Okay, rest all got no. Only one guy only. Aditi, oh, still doing. Okay. Roshan, you got the figure? Hello, Roshan. You got the figure or not? If you get the figure, is sure you will get it. Come on. If you get the figure, you sure you will get it. Correct or not? Others' opinion is what? If you know the figure, sure you will get it. Correct. Correct or no? That means, Roshan, you didn't get the figure. I'm sure you didn't get the figure. Yeah, you didn't. Yeah, if you get the figure, sugar. It is a sugar case. Look at here, man. Hey, come on. You'll wonder this question now. I'm going to read now. Look at here. 2 poles of height, a meters. Exactly this question only. Same question. Look, Ajunun. This is A. This is A. This is H. This is B. This length is P. This is only difference. The previous question, X, Y, Z. Here is A, B, C. Same thing. So that means, Roshan, you didn't get the figure. Look, the first one you will get H by, I'm not writing detail, H by A equal to BC by AC, number one. We are not care about P, forget about that. Then H by B equal to AB by AC, number two. H by A plus H by B equal to 1. Same like H outside 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to 1. So 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to 1 by H. LCM AB A plus B equal to 1 by H. Therefore, H equal to AB by A plus B. Okay. This question usually comes in Bhavan's test. This way. Okay. Nihal, now okay. The previous question same. Instead of X, here is A. Previous question Y, here B. H same. This P only for a confusion. You don't care about that because we don't want to, we don't take the figure, you just keep it there. So we write this everything. Come on, Roshan Abdullah. You got or not? Okay, your figures may be different, right? Okay. Okay, so complete first. I'll wait. How is it similar triangle? DPS guys, similar triangle. Okay, now. Little easy, little difficult chapter. This one. Okay. It's not fit for online class because a lot of constructions. This Pooja, you are still in India, right? Pooja. Deve, okay. Who are all then? Devayani also in India? Okay, I think next month, 1st August, will start the flights. So you have the visa and all, right? Pooja and Devayani. Till when? Okay. Come on. You also no idea. Come on, you should know your your visa expiring date and all. You should know really. Okay. You should know that. Correct or no? You should know. You don't depend on others. You should know your passport validity, your passport number of pages. Okay. Okay. Next time. Okay. Really, see, before there was a stamp. There was stamp in our passport. You remember or not? Right? Residence page. Right? Usually, while traveling, I'll notice that which page my in passport that visa. When I give to the immigration officer, I just tell, okay, page number 55. My visa is page number 55. So very easy they can trace. So you should know your visa expiring when. Maybe your parents maybe forgot. You can remind them. Okay, don't need to worry about if it is expired. Also, don't need to worry. It can be renewed. No problem. Okay. I'm telling you, there were any everyone's, not there were any and Puja, everyone's. Okay. I hope others maybe knows. What about Ronit? You know, you may be in. All right. You have Abhishek. You have similarity copy, you know, right? In that your visa validity there is. February only. After that, you only event Puja, right? Puja. Yes, of course. Then will be 2021 February. That is your visa. Okay. So no problem. Okay. February, March event. March, April, May, June, July, August. Oh, okay. 6 months now. Where? When? Which month you went? March. Okay. Make sure this all everyone. Okay. You should concern about your data, your passport. Okay. Your expiry date. Your visa expiry date. Okay. Your passport expiry date. Okay. So you are in matured guys now, 15-year-old. Okay, you should know this all. Don't fully depends on parents. You can make a data in your books. This all. Okay, you are about your data. Who all knows? Ronit, you knows about? Yeah, see, Ronit knows. Roshan, no idea. Roshan, no idea which flight is going. Where is going, also no idea. Just like a bird. One first bird is going, second bird also going, like that. Come on. Like cattle. First cattle going to south, rest all going to south. Like that only. It doesn't know where going, which flight is going, like that. Okay. Abhishek. Passport, okay, with your parents, but a copy of the similarity with you know. So you should check that in that first page, first face, there is a photo there is. In that expiry date is there is. Okay, come on now. Listen here. So next question. Are you ready now? This both questions very important question. Okay, relax now. Okay. So right. Next question. Side AB and this is star question. Hello, this is star one. Side AB, BC and a median AD. Side AB, BC and median AD. The side AB, BC and median AD of a triangle ABC. Side AB, BC and a median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides respectively proportional to sides PQ okay. Listen, sides AB, BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR show that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, look at here. Star question. Listen here. I'll show this one. Look at here. Wait. One triangle. Okay. A, B, C. Another one here. You can see this triangle. Oh, okay. Look. Okay. Oh, you can see now. End problem. Okay. So here, I'll make it here. Okay, A, B, C, and PQR. Okay, now look at here. Don't write now. Question saying what? Side AB and BC and median AD. Okay, these are respectively proportional. That means what? AB divided by this proportion here. This is here. This is here. Okay, median is PM. Yeah. Median. Okay, correct. Okay. AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AD by PM. This is given. Okay. Look, the given part is listen. Hey, listen. Question. Abhishek, your internet. Okay. Problem. Internet. Okay. Today, I think in Kuwait, everywhere internet problem is there. Okay. Just before there was a class for me, my connection also gone. Okay, but I had to other connection then manage. Okay, look at here, Abhishek. Question. Look at here. In triangle, this is the question. In triangle ABC and PQR, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to median AD by median PM. That you are right. Don't just write AD by PM. Median AD by median PM. Okay, write that one. Hello. You write given. Okay. Right. Right. Given. Hello. Given I'm writing. In triangle ABC and PQR, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to median AD by median PM. Okay. What you have to prove? To prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, correct? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, given understood. What you have to prove understood? Then tell me. Come on. Hello. Are you okay now? Okay. Listen. The question is in triangle ABC and PQR, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AD by PM. To prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Look at here. This question. Can I give another version? Listen here. Two sides and a median. Listen. Two sides and a median bisecting one of the side are respectively proportional to two sides and a median of another triangle. Then the triangles are similar. Is it okay or not? Two sides and a median bisecting one of the sides, underline one of the sides, are respectively proportional to another triangle. Then the triangle is similar. Correct or no? Look, these two triangles are selected. Which one? AB and BC. Median coming to BC or AB, not going to AC. AC is what? Which side? AC we can say which side? First side, second side, which side? Third side, correct. AC is third side because another question is coming like that. Okay, another question is coming this way. Two sides and a median bisecting the third side of a triangle. Okay, forget about that. We'll sort of settle down. Look at here. So right now, or right, two sides and a two sides and a median. Sorry, two sides. Okay, two sides and a median bisecting two sides and a median bisecting one of the side of a triangle, two sides and a median bisecting one of the side of the triangle are respectively proportional to another triangle. Are respectively proportional to another triangle. Then the triangles are similar. Okay. Come on. Now, look at here. Hello, listen all. Wait. Our requirement is to show what? Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, right? Correct or no? Our requirement is triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, right? Okay. We have AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. We have only one point enough to show this triangle is similar. What is that? We have AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. We have just one point enough to show these triangles are similar. What is that? Corresponding angles. No. AC by PR, okay. AC by PR, okay. That also okay, but that's not an easy. One more, another point. No. Aditi, no. Just one point, finish. Come on. What is that easiest point? No. No. Just one point. Okay, he said, Kandagi said, B equal to Q. Exactly, yes. If you can show B equal to Q, then finish. Why? AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Given. B equal to Q. Proved. Therefore, these triangles are similar by SAS similarity. Correct? This is the climax of the question. End part. Correct or no? Right? The ending, this question will be like this. Okay, some Malayalam movies like that. The ending part first they show. Then remaining part after that only. No one can understand that movie. Okay. So now look at here. Come on, we'll start. Plan understood now? Hello. The plan okay or not? Hania, the plan okay or not? Hania Mawjood or not? Yes, Hania Mawjood. Okay. Plan okay or not? Krishna, plan okay? Anyone objection with the plan? Alina, Aditi, Abhishek, Aditya, Diya, Deeba, Devayani, Kavya, Hassan, Kiran, Kaushik, Manasi, Parthiv, Ronit, Varsha, Vignesh. Okay, now we are going to start that one. Our aim is to get B equal to Q. Look at here now. I'll give the note, don't write anything, okay? So we have AB divided by BC, PQ. AB divided by PQ equal to BC divided by QR equal to okay. AD, okay, AD divided by PM. This is given, right? You know, this by this one equal to BC divided by QR equal, okay. Next line I am writing AB divided by PQ equal to BC. I am writing 2BD. Any objection? 2QM equal to AD by PM. You have any objection? Writing like this? Hello. Instead of BC, I can write 2BD. Instead of QR, I can write 2QM because reason is there. D is the midpoint, Q is the midpoint. Next line, AB divided by PQ equal to BD divided by QM equal to AD divided by PM. What is this one? Check the triangle. AB divided by PQ equal to BD divided by QM equal to AD by PM. That means these shorter triangles are similar by S as the similarity. Correct or no? ABD similar to triangle PQM. Right? Are you okay? These triangles are similar by S a similarity. All the sides are proportional. Hence, angle B equal to angle Q. We got. Why? In similar triangle, corresponding sides are proportional. Hey, corresponding in similar triangle, corresponding angles are equal. Right? Then go back to the original triangle. ABC and PQR. AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Given. B equal to Q. Proved. That this triangle is similar by SIS. Are you okay or not? If it is okay, I'll give the note. Okay, then I'll give the note. After note, we can discuss it if you have doubt. Okay, right. First, right, you note the given and all, right? Okay. Proof. Okay, neatly write. Okay, right. Proof AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to median AD by median PM. Median AD by median PM. Bracket, right? Given. Okay. Next line. AB by PQ equal to 2BD divided by 2QM equal to AD by PM. Okay, in bracket, right? AD and PM are medians. That's enough because understood the midpoints. Okay. 2 gone. AB by PQ equal to BD by QM equal to AD by PM. AB by PQ equal to BD by QM equal to AD by PM. Therefore, triangle ABD, congruent to triangle PQM. ABD congruent to triangle PQM. SSS similarity. SSS similarity. Okay. SS similarity. SSS similarity. Hence, angle B equal to angle Q. Angle B equal to angle Q. In bracket, in similar triangle, corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal. Okay. Then after that, in triangle ABC and PQR, in triangle ABC and PQR, AB by PQ, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. AB by PQ equal to BC by QR given. Angle B equal to angle Q. Angle B equal to angle Q proved. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. ABC similar to triangle PQR. SAS similarity. SAS similarity. Okay. Hence, finished now. Okay, finished. Okay. Okay. Final answer is what? In triangle ABC and PQR, AB by PQ equal to BC by QR. Angle B equal to angle Q proved. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Okay, so finished. Now one shorter question only. It's okay. Right. Finish, or you want to check the note? Then okay, I'll stop it. Okay, just check it. Hello, just go through the note. Everyone, just go through the note. This is a star question. Okay. So okay, finish all. Everyone okay? So study up to here. So we'll there is a continuation of this question. Next one, third side. That will take around half an hour. We cannot do now. Okay. So this is enough today. Study up to here. Okay. So Saturday. Oh, okay. Wait. Another thing. Saturday time is okay. We can make it no need so early. 6:30. Okay. No. Is it okay all? Instead of 5:45, 6:30. So if those who want to sleep more, okay. That's me. Okay, this one. Okay. 6:30 till 8:30. Okay. Okay. Saturday time is 6:30, not 5:45. Okay.